Hi, I'm Alex from MockupBatch, and today I'll show you the new features in our latest update. We've made MockupBatch even smarter and more flexible, based on your feedback. Before I dive into the updates, let me quickly show new users how MockupBatch works. After successful installation, you'll find the plugin in the main menu under Plugins. To help the plugin find your artworks and mockups, it's important to use a clear folder structure. So first, create separate folders for your artworks, mockups, and export results. Create an artworks folder for your artwork images. Do the same for your mockup PSD files. And create an export folder for the results. Now we can link these folders in the plugin. That's it. Next, let's set the placement method. Along with center, stretch, and fit, you'll now find the new crop placement method. Let me show you how each method works with a quick example. With the default center option, your artwork is centered inside the smart object. If your image is larger than the smart object, it's scaled down proportionally. If it's smaller, it keeps its original size, which can leave empty space. If you choose stretch, your artwork is distorted to completely fill the area. This will lose the original aspect ratio, so your image might be stretched horizontally or vertically. With fit, your artwork is scaled proportionally to fit entirely into the mockup without being cut off. The aspect ratio is kept, but there may be empty space on two sides. With the new crop option, your artwork is scaled up proportionally to fully cover the mockup area. The aspect ratio stays the same, but parts of your artwork outside this area are cropped. Next, let's prepare the mockup. It's important that the smart object for your artwork has the same name in every mockup. By default, you can name the smart object @artwork. Make sure that's true for all your mockups. But if the smart object in your mockup has a different name, no problem. If, for example, you name it place here, simply enter the new smart object name in the plugin settings. Save your settings by clicking Apply. Just make sure all smart objects in the process have this name. Save and close your mockups. For this example, I'll choose the new crop placement method and set the export image to JPG. Time to start the process. Grab yourself a coffee and watch MockupBatch get your job done quickly and cleanly. Speed depends on the number and size of your mockups and artworks, as well as your computer's performance. All mockup images have been created and saved in the export folder. Now let's look at the last new feature, file naming structure. By default, mockup images are named in this order, mockup name plus artwork name. You can change this in the settings. Just drag and drop to rearrange the order. You can also add a suffix, and you can use drag and drop to put the suffix wherever you like in the file name. Don't forget to save your changes after editing. Let's test the new file name order. Artwork name plus suffix plus mockup name. That worked perfectly. Two more small tips. You can easily reset the plugin here in the submenu. If you need help with the plugin, you'll find a form on our website. We look forward to your email. Thanks for watching.